Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Have you ever noticed that it seems that some cleaning contractors just seem to land better buildings, better contracts, better relationships? And you might think to yourself, it's probably because they have better salespeople. But very often, that's not it, even though it's tempting to think that's it. See, the thing is that building owners and managers, they're not really just looking for confidence and charisma from the salesperson. They're not looking so much for confidence as they are clarity from the cleaning contractor as to how they bid the job. Do they understand their building? How are they going to clean it? How long is it going to take to clean it? Clear about how they're going to manage it, staff it, train to those hours. If anything gets missed, what are the procedures to take care of that? What ways do they have to inspect and checklist and things to manage the work? Clarity from how they learned how to price the job with the hours to how to manage the job. They're really concerned a great deal, not so much with charisma, as they are about avoiding and lowering risk. They're worried. They want to hire a company that they know can take care of this job. And another big thing they're looking for that comes through, it's often not said, is when a cleaning contractor has kind of a calm confidence. They're not needy or desperate for the job. They come across not so much desperate, they're just simply explaining, sir or madam, here is how we do this kind of a project. Here's how we learn the hours. Here's how we price it. Here's how we train it. Here's how we supervise it. Here's how we manage it. We take care of other clients like yours. They may give references and so on. They have quite a bit of confidence in saying, we know what we're doing to do our job properly, and we would like to do it for you. And here's all the specifications that we have about your job, the size of the project, all the duties you want taken care of and when. That kind of clarity and calm confidence is what attracts building owners and managers, not so much just a very confident, charismatic salesperson. So something to keep in mind is, like I say, from not only how you handle your bidding and how you explain it, to how you handle the actual staffing and training and the work that's going to be done, to all the procedures from timekeeping and folks showing up on time and then inspecting, and if something gets missed, how you handle it. If that is a clear picture to the building owner, that kind of clarity attracts them a lot more than just a charismatic salesperson. So till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.